Welcome to Gourmet and Fun, a channel dedicated to sharing recipes that strive to make your everyday meal a gourmet experience, all without breaking the bank. Today's recipe is roasted spaghetti squash shrimp scampi. This is a low-carb take on a yummy pasta classic. Just by switching in spaghetti squash for the traditional linguine, this comes together just as quick and lighter too. The ingredients you will need for today's recipe are 1 medium spaghetti squash, about 3 pounds, a half a cup of olive oil, salt and pepper to taste, one teaspoon Italian seasoning mix, 3 cloves of garlic, minced, a half a cup grated Parmesan cheese, a 1/4 cup chopped fresh parsley or dried, a half a teaspoon red pepper flake, optional to add heat, and a half a pound of peeled, deveined, pre-cooked frozen shrimp. Recipe instructions. Step 1. Preheat your oven to 425 degrees Fahrenheit. Step 2. Prepare the spaghetti squash. Slice the spaghetti squash in half lengthwise. This is going to be a tough process. Take your time, go slowly. Best practice is to score all the way along and slowly deepen the cut until you can cut it fully through. Or you can take a page out of my book, enlist stronger hands, especially if they have a super sharp cleaver in them. Trust me, it cuts down on manicure costs. Use a spoon to scoop out the seeds and discard them, or even better, make sure you keep those strong hands around just a little longer and do that part for you. Drizzle both halves with a tablespoon of olive oil and season with the salt, pepper, and Italian seasoning mix. Step 3. Roast the squash. Place the squash halves cut side down on a baking sheet lined with parchment paper. Roast in the oven for about 60 minutes or until the squash is tender when pierced with a fork. The squash should easily pull apart into spaghetti-like strands when it's done. Step 4. Prepare the garlic oil. While the squash is roasting, heat the remaining olive oil in a skillet over low heat. Add the minced garlic. Saute for 1 to 2 minutes until fragrant and golden brown. Be careful not to burn the garlic. Using jarlic, aka prepared jarred garlic for the uninitiated in certain kitchen speak, will help here. The added moisture holds the possibility of burning at bay. You can also add the red pepper flakes here if desired. Remove from the heat and set aside. Step 5. Prepare the shrimp. For using pre-cooked frozen shrimp, place in a colander and thaw under cool running water until the shrimp is no longer icy and stiff. If shelled, peel before you place them onto a paper towel-lined dish to dry. Toss the shrimp in the garlic oil over low heat, just enough to warm the shrimp and coat them with the flavorful oil. Step 6. Scrape and serve. Once the squash is done, use a fork to gently scrape the flesh of the squash from the skin. It will separate into spaghetti-like strands. This can take a bit of time if your squash is larger. Transfer the squash strands onto a plate and pour the garlic, oil, and shrimp mixture over the top. Sprinkle with Parmesan cheese and chopped parsley. This is the point where you pay back those strong hands with a nice healthy portion. Step 7. Serve immediately. Again, this healthy, low-carb dish is rich in fiber and a great alternative to pasta, or shall we say, an impasta. Makes a mostly easy way, especially if you get help with that initial squash problem, wink wink, to up your veggie intake while still getting your pasta comfort food fix. If you enjoyed this recipe, please comment down below, share us on social media, give us a like, and subscribe to the channel to never miss a new taste sensation.